New kit come with bushings for front springs. Small holes, big holes. Remember, small holes, big holes. Even the sleeves. Small holes, big holes. Big sleeve, go with big bushing. Small sleeve, go with small bushing. Small sleeves, go in the back of the truck. Big sleeves and bushings go in the front. These very easy assemble. I show. Throw some in pocket here. See? Small hole. Small bushing. Push in. Tilt this up. There we go. Small bushing. Small bushing. Yeah. Sleeve. Sleeve slide right in. Pretty flush on each side. It's good. Big bushing, big hole. Got new spring in. Torque. Those are torqued. Torqued. Got steering arm in. All three torqued. Lots of anti-sleise. Don't want sticking. Drag link in. Tight. Sway bar not in. Mongo confuse. So 4-shock. 2 old ones still there on that side. Outside shock go inside cage. Inside shock hang out. Outside shock go up to that triangle fitting bracket. Inside shock go to that cage. Picture and instruction shows that bracket to inside cage, so that means outside shock. Mongo call manufacturer. They confused too. They weren't sure. One thought used the most upright shock, which would mean inside. So it would connect out here and then go up to, oh, you can't see from here, go up to that cage bracket. Again, instructions show that bracket to inside cage. So other guy said order 2 more shocks, they all fit, but new shocks much thicker. And as third person, had manufacturer say, he say go like picture, inside cage, do little triangle bracket, use spacers, bushing. Instructions for lift say to lower T-case bracket. So here is 2 bolts, 2 more other side. We're supposed to take those spacers, these 2 spacers, and instead of there we put between frame and T-case bracket cross member. So we have slight pressure with jack and wood. So we take these out, drop the bracket down, and slide these 2 spacers in between, and same on other side. There's transmission spacers between frame and cross member where they should be. I'll go get new lug nuts for big wheel. Got socket, some bracing. They do lug nut kits. Should be same. Cone looks same. Oh, we take socket too. Okay, so Oh, lots of room in wheel. Should be same thread. Should be 9/16 by 18. Oh yeah. Excellent. So, Mongo lift truck. Take wheels off. Put big wheels on. Let's see. Baby wheels. 235, 85, R16. Big wheels. 35s, 12 and a half. Come on, get over there. Yeah, 35, 12 and a half, R20. It's a good size difference. Yep. Those must be maybe 33s. New lug nuts work good. They in, they torque. They work good. Truck big now. Very big. It's good. That's what Mongo want. Big truck. Not baby truck. So, this was the kit they sent me. And remember, you have to install the little sleeves in there, this bottom, so it go in just fine, side to side. But then need one for top. Most people there, if you remember, they say use just like in picture. So the outside shock. But these are all the sleeves they send. This original sleeve, and none of them fit. They're all too short, or too long. So manufacturers send new kit. Right? They say, oh, we send you new kit. Okay. So here's new kit. Too short. Too short. Too long. Too short. Just like regular kit. So Mongo assemble with original sleeves. Since manufacturer don't know. They don't know. They confused. Whatever. Mongo fix. Mongo may right. So I'll press those sleeves into the top shock mounts and install. Mongo gets shotgun. Get a new bolt for bottom. Didn't want to run long bolt, so get shorter bolt. Old bushing sleeve work good. New bolts, grade 8. I'll do sway bar. Sway bar drop brackets. That's the way they will fit. Instructions show other way. So instructions show that this short edge go up top and this long part go on bottom. But sway bar not fit right that way. But this way, sway bar will line up much better. So don't do like instructions show it. They don't fit. It won't be right to move this way over. That's not right. That's okay. Mongo fix. So, and then the C part faces the outside of the truck. So the opening goes to the inside towards the engine. It's good. Mongo get new vent tube installed. New tube for diff vent. Go up there. Need extra space. Regular tube too tight. Mongo get new vent tube in the back. New diff vent. Goes all the way up. Needed extra space for travel. Did front, did rear. Mongo make custom brake line extension for rear brake hose. Should give lots of travel space. Not sure if it will work, because right now line is not supported. Just sitting up there. It might work, don't know. So I put torque marks. We'll see if it holds or not. If need be, Mongo might have to spend extra money for long brake line. But we'll see if that works. Instruction for lift kit say we have to take out front drive shaft. We have to take out so we can grind the stops. You can see them under there. They say for proper travel, we'll grind stop. Grind 1/8 inch off of there. So we get drive shaft out. A couple bolts back there. Yup, there's one. 4 bolts there. 4 bolts on the front with the straps. We take those off and get drive shaft out. Be sure when you do the front drive shaft, you need to stop drive shaft from spin. So 2 option, or 3 option really. Option 1, you can put T-case. You can put T-case in gear. See, bolts is out. All bolts out. But it still spins. So you put T-case in gear and it stops spin. Or you can lock front hubs. So you be sure you lock both hubs. Other side already lock. Mongo go option 2. And see, now it stops spin. Or option 3, you can put pry bar somewhere. But that might break something. So, like I say, Mongo go option 2. You lock hubs. Drive shaft no spin. Is good. So then we just pry lightly. That come out. Just light, doesn't take much. There we go. This bottom side. There we go. Now, if these caps come off, they have little bearings in there. Little needle bearings. So if they come off, be sure to reassemble correctly. Leader screw. Maybe we grease these while they're out too. We mark out drive shaft stops. We have paint marker. Is good. That is about 1/8 inch. Actually, it is measured out. I already grind this side. I double check with manufacturer because instruction only show grinding this side, which didn't make sense. And since they got confused on front shock and they got confused on sway bar drop brackets, Mongo decide, well, I double check manufacturer. So they say yes, front stop and rear stop need be ground. So that's what I do. Good thing me check. Mongo get front drive shaft in. Do the grind on stops. Put torque marks. After grind stop, I Mongo paint. So lift kit done. The front is all bolted, torque marks. Now truck big. Mongo like big truck. Overall, lift kit good overall. But be sure to brake line drop or brake line hose extension. Be sure to do that. And then be sure to, you'll have little problem solving. Still have to do the rear proportioning valve levers. Have to extend that still, but it's drivable. It's good. Mongo happy. Hopefully video help you, so you can do your own big truck lift. You make your truck big now. Be sure like, be sure subscribe.